If the Wi-Fi in your Mercedes-Benz is not working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. This tutorial outlines the most common fixes. Steps to fix the issue. First, restart the Mercedes-Benz infotainment system. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the system turns off and restarts. After the restart, check your Wi-Fi connection. If the Wi-Fi is still not working, check the hotspot settings. On the display screen, go to Home, then System, select Connectivity, and choose Set up Hotspot. Make sure the Activate Vehicle Hotspot option is turned on. Also confirm that the hotspot is visible to other devices. Next, check for software updates. An outdated system can cause connection issues. Look for updates through the Mercedes Me app or the vehicle's settings menu. Installing the latest firmware can improve connectivity. You can also try connecting a different phone or device to the hotspot. This helps determine if the issue is with the Mercedes system or your device. Limitation: if these steps do not resolve the issue, the problem may be hardware-related or require a service visit. This troubleshooting is best suited for software or configuration issues.